Hi everyone! OpenAI recently launched a promotion where you can get a free month of ChatGPT Plus just by creating a new account and adding a payment method. To get the subscription, you'll need to meet two requirements. First, your account must be registered in a supported country. Second, you'll need a payment card to link to your profile. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick life hack on how to get that Plus subscription absolutely for free.
All right, let's get started.
For clarity, I'll open the instructions I saved in my browser. You can find these instructions in my YouTube post. I'll leave the link in the description below the video. The instructions describe the conditions for obtaining a subscription and how to use the service. Please note, at the moment the service doesn't have a web version and works only via API. This service works for both Windows and Mac OS. In this video, I will show you how the service works on Windows. So, let's copy the command from the instruction. This command will install Deno, the JavaScript runtime environment needed for the service to work, and connect the service to the API. Paste this command into the command prompt and press Enter. Now, we wait for everything necessary to be installed and for the API connection to be established. As you can see, this service doesn't just work with ChatGPT, but in this case, that's the only one we need. In this menu, first select Create Account. At this stage, an email and a ChatGPT account are created where the trial will be available. Copy the login of the created account. Open the ChatGPT page in your browser. Click Login. Paste the login of the created account. Now, you need to get a confirmation code from the email the account is registered to. To do this, go back to the command prompt and go to the code retrieval menu. Copy the code and paste it into the browser. Now we have an account where it's possible to get a free month of the Plus subscription if we add a payment method. Click the Claim Offer button. The offer is now available to us. 1 free month of the Plus subscription. Click Claim Free Offer. Now we need to enter a card. If you don't have a card or don't want to use your own, you can create one within the service. To do this, go back to the command prompt and select the appropriate menu. Sometimes the service doesn't manage to generate a card in time, and you'll need to try again. Copy the generated card and paste it into the corresponding field on the website. Now you need to enter the expiration date in the CVV. The service also generates a full name and billing address. Copy and paste it into the appropriate fields. All fields must be filled in, including state and zip code. Click the subscribe button. Sometimes a CAPTCHA pops up. If it does, just click I am human. So, the payment method has been successfully added, and we see the payment success page. Click Continue and see that we've successfully activated your free monthly Plus subscription. I hope this video was helpful. Please support the video with your activity. Goodbye.